I have 2013 Honda Accord and I changed its oil myself, but the maintenance minder still says change oil, so I gotta reset that. And how I'll do it, I'll turn the key to on or start the car, either way. So I got a key, turn that, start the car. And now here I got this oil life 5%. So I gotta press this button here on the right that changes the display. So I gotta keep it pressed for a little bit of time until it starts blinking. Waiting, here you go. And when it does, I gotta remove my finger and then press it back again one more time. And it clears to 100%. Another way to reset the oil life percentage or maintenance required light is to go through the digital display here. So there, what we're going to do is press on the settings, and then we're gonna change the dial, go to vehicle settings, their maintenance info, and then maintenance reset, and press the button to say reset. And right now it says oil life 100%. If it had not reset it the other way, it would show oil life, and then we'll reset it. So we're just gonna, this time there's nothing to do, so oil life is 100%. Would you like to reset A2, like reset, okay. It was already 100%, otherwise it would have said, you know, some other percentage. So that's it, both ways work.